Today I have my topic is domain and the range of the function. Domain and range of function. Basically, what is domain and what is range? The values of the, for example, if I have the values f of x is equal to something is equal to y. Here I have this value, x variable is independent variable. And y values are independent values. The set of the all possible values is called the domain, and the set of the all possible dependent variables are called the range. Basically, if I have a function f of x and I give the input value, then I find the output values. Input value is called the domain and output value is called the range. For example, that is my domain and that is my range. Then I have to go there, that is domain and range. By example, I show it that what is this. Example. For example, f of x is equal to x square. Okay. F of x is equal to x square, and the values of the independent variable are x, we will assume by ourselves, 0, -1, -2, -3, +1, 2 and 3. Okay. F of x is equal to x square. That's why I put here the values of my x square is -3 square is equal to 9, -2 square is equal to 4, -1 square is equal to +1, 0 square is equal to 0, and 1 square is equal to 1, 2 square is equal to 4, 3 square is equal to 9. Okay. The values of the independent variables, x-axis is domain, and these values are the range values, output values. The f of x is also called the y. We can write it y. Y is equal to basically x square. The values of the y are called the range. Okay. Now I will write it in the points from point of x, y. So x is -3 and its y is 9. Here x is -2 and y is 4. X is -1 and y is 1. X 0, y 0. X 1, y 1. X 2, y 4. X 3 and y 9. Okay. So these values are called the domain and that value is called the range, and that is the points. Okay, now I have to draw it in a graph. X-axis, y-axis. Okay. X-axis will be draw on the x-axis and y-axis will be draw the range points. So x points are maximum point is +3 and minimum point is -3. So I will write here -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. And y values are 9, 4, 1. Highest value is 9. So I can write here the table of the maybe 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay. Also you can write here -2, -4 and so on, but we don't, in this question we don't need the negative values of the y-axis. So here -3 and 9 is the first point, x is -3 and y is 9. 9 would be there, the middle of 8 and 10. -3 and the 9, this I point draw here, -3 and 9, then -2 and 4, x is -2 and y is 4. Okay, and -1, 1, -1, the point between the 0 and the 2 is the 1, -1 and +1, 0, 0, 1, 1, +1, 1, 2 and 4, 2 and 4, 3 and 9, so I meet the points. Okay, here the domain is, that is x dash and that is y dash. Okay, my domain is -3 to +3, that is my domain on the x-axis of my function, and the range of my function is on the y-axis, that from 1 to 0 to 9. Okay, 0 to maximum highest value is 9. Okay, domain is -3 to +3, it's my domain, and my range is 0 to +9 because it's highest value. From here to here, on x-axis it is called the domain, and on y-axis it is called the range. Basically it is the equation of the parabola y is equal to x square. Okay, thank you.